eti ba Ghana ha nipa ba kwa Ghana fo nyina ani da ne mo twa ne se o ma kire mu de ntia ofri Angel FM eye Okatakyie Afrifa na o ma kire mu no amanfo bebrebe na na ekeka nsem wezi o otin Dr. Otin Pamon no Captain Smart kwa ka ho bi Kevin Taylor ka ho bi just a whole lot babusia Okatakyie Afrifa is here adwobre ono aba bontene abekire mu enti ene okopie mu e wona na Romeo e show so on Accra FM na wakodwudwa nsemu de ye ya ofri Angel FM na wasapa an studio abusia all launch ba aye for the records wa pa hontuma aha ye Penyah blog media mesrewa say obe like video na obe subscribe button so we click the notification icon for latest updates na be kire wadwen e de ama me e wo comment section e shase
he's about to go now
onim say Ghana ni papa ko a Ghana fo nyanda nim e twen say e kwan of us ofri Angel FM no ana e kwan of us o resign o mechirim e Okatakyie Afrifa after say to ba wiye ana some beka ya enche bia ye to ba wiye ana Okatakyie Afrifa e ba ni Facebook eno post letter bia o chirim say oh me free Angel FM mi akasa ma resign but wa man chiremu because of wa man chiremu no sparking confusions and conversations obia chire na adwene meeting so bi kura say Kwaku Otin Pamon Dr. Kwaku Otin Pamon no obese Kevin Taylor Emma warning so they will raid his office. Ebi say Captain Smart can be say on train mark Okatakyie Afrifa say Kwaku Otin Pamon na onu abe Pamon no just a whole lot ni nyina mu na Okatakyie Afrifa emeka ahwe para say na o mechire nsemu etina o mechire nsemu no de obi opinion is accepted because for sure nipa no kra say no fa no meka sai it meka sai de ne opinion obi ane de hwegu form na yentie there was a finally Okatakyie say adwobre de market kano de market kano munyina de moka nyina ewomu nanso wei ene nchiremu
minim say why ye media adwuma kakra na wo Happy FM
right
and now ba was it Power or XYZ
na mo Happy FM
yeah
me wo for 4 years
yeah
and I'm free ho call XYZ okay. But it was the XYZ broadcasting which I ended up sitting in on Power FM at some point.
Okay.
But yes.
And now
I'm a free one, I'm a bar Angel FM.
Angel FM. Oh yeah, you more Angel for how many years?
1.5 years.
1.5. Until so far we media career mono ehina o check say
Happy FM.
Who di say
4 years.
Oh okay. And
so we started Happy FM in 2016.
Okay.
And I'm a free ho October 2020.
Okay. And XYZ they want Chebibre.
XYZ I did 1 year 8 months.
Okay. Okay. And I'll call Angel and I'll call you
1.5 years.
1.5 years. I don't know when the Angel be.
Oh, I believe you and I war our own interest and perspective about life.
Yeah.
Now, so before Juma, more or less, as a one in the interest align. Maybe Juma, it is not about the pay to pay check and that minyano.
Yeah.
It is about my interest align with yours, so we can build something. When it happens that your interest does not align with mine, I think the Ghanaian society is used to the culture of resigning.
Yeah.
But I am used to resigning. When I think a certain space, somebody else can do something I'm doing much better,
yeah.
Or I don't fit in at that point for the vision that they want to champion. I step aside and I move on.
Okay.
Because my vision is clear. I'm clear in my thoughts, what I want and where I want to go and where I'm going in life.
Okay.
And Bibia, Menin Vincent Opai, CEO of a year. Angel FM, we are cool. And right, you also now. My new Druby Angel Rock. I know they be Sundays of Mamrem Neja.
You have a cordial.
No, we're good. I mean, but I'll probably go into details when I start with my show.
Okay.
Oh, you're bad, perhaps.
Because the album say you were sacked. Who said the headlines that came no Okatakyie sacked by Angel. It is a mini kiddie incident, I didn't sack kiddie, but the headlines were sacked Romeo sacked kiddie. Auntie people say ya sack ya pamo. Ntina mibusa say eba ne saying. Did you resign? Motana say
I resigned and okay, so for the purposes of you sitting in,
yeah,
na ebia I don't need to prove myself to anyone as to whether I was sacked or I resigned. But Yankees is to make Angel FM. Angel for the contract and a buy. See and sign.
Okay.
Me lawyer the contract, you know. MEA all the modalities make key amendment to the contract. And San I agree. I mean, I sign.
Yeah.
It at no point can anybody just wake up and say, Masaki Katechi, when terms and conditions within a contract is there.
Yeah.
Now, the way I mean, see you conversation.
Okay.
It's not for public consumption, but you can just watch it.
Okay.
Maybe you draw your own conclusions.
Nana Vicent.
Yes, that's my CEO.
Okay. I know. Okay.
It's why we are not making a conclusion.
Okay. All right.
That can even on the business be a
Mini say Mubon Komo.
No, okay. But why have we developed a certain culture? Says, oh, no, be a Juma. Now, more working relationship.
Yeah.
Now, some moon and Juma then it must automatically affect the personal relationship you guys have.
Yeah, a lot of people.
Me kokuma say na mene mapo free. Mapo na bezem go Dr. Kokuti, I call him, then I go because one name the movement. Yeah. The next time I be kuma say me friend mapo. Baby a dog will be. I me call me back trust. You call so you define. We see we are good.
But any pabebre ya say uni radio so sia.
Oh, it's okay. Anybody be so there's a mini radio.
Yeah, so if you ask that you will not get it the same. Send me tea and you'll be an end the same way. Right. And obisu end the same until you will never get it. If you know
you remember God and you'll be an end the
So this is what Okatakyie Afrifa has to say concerning his resignation letter now, or posting on Facebook. I tell them they were free Angel FM. Then they'll be a piano. This is Okatakye's voice. The perfect explanation to give. Now, then, baby, Okatakyie Afrifa free Angel FM no. One got to fear Sakwa. What you say, boy, when they were jai 2025 were jai. Some make away studio so I could show na some in your fame or her, and some yes, you would be. And now BBS Miss Majai, no more with them talk about her because your program na every time at Timuno, Miss Majana say imedi, or his ad a year 2025. On also a launch on one multi-million CDs studio. I are to the for the records. Never see any asem kuma. Okatakyie Afrifa ya bema ba okona nim abrabọ de saa baabi anyewa baabi bejewo ana mpemfo esi ebo pampem a let's ye hye okomo de ne ebia se we ya ama wan free enjoy fema anka onye in terms to say what I say for the first way to manage na he had intention say obeye but you see ya man free enjoy fema say ensi a anka wonye ono an studio in terms to say e do no for sure ye Okatakyie Afrifa abaso I want a new studio what may be our to do for the records in fact on the studio the whole FPA and then you know bonya empire say obedum ye na ye betimi aye you know such nice edifice as studio na yatinemu aye adwuma obetu atire wa adwuma e wo comment so this is Okatakyie Afrifa's personal explanation to why he left Angel FM and to the obi can be ade obi aboa I Penyah media background.